Hello everybody, I'm Bianca. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a how I clean my makeup brushes video, and washing your makeup brushes is very important. You should do this at least once a week, and it should become a part of your weekly routine, because if you don't wash them at least once a week, there's old makeup, there's bacteria, dust, oil, dirt that can stay trapped in there. That's really gross. And plus, whenever you're using your makeup brushes and they're really dirty, it can cause skin irritation and it can even cause you to break out. In this video, I'm also going to be showing you how to spot clean your makeup brushes. This usually happens with my foundation and concealer brushes, where over time, like after applying makeup so many times, it usually is really hard to clean. So I'm going to be showing you how I spot clean my makeup brushes. Let's go ahead and get started. To clean my makeup brushes, I use the Palmolive dish soap. I love that it kills 99.9% of bacteria. Dish soap will not leave your makeup brushes soft, so to recondition them, I use just a tiny amount of extra virgin olive oil. These two really do make a perfect combination, because the Palmolive dish soap kills 99.9% of bacteria and leaves your makeup brushes smelling great, and the extra virgin olive oil leaves them super soft. This brush mat is from eBay, but you can also find some similar ones at Ulta and Sephora. I really love this mat because of all the different textures that it has, and it just makes it so much easier when it comes to cleaning your makeup brushes. I'll leave a link down below just in case you are interested. And another thing that you are also going to be needing is a cup. It doesn't matter if it's glass or not, or if it's bigger than mine, as long as it's a cup. To spot clean my makeup brushes, I use some rubbing alcohol and paper towels. I lay my brush on the alcohol and then swirl it on the paper towel until no more makeup comes off. After I'm done spot cleaning my makeup brushes, I'm always sure to wash my makeup brushes with dish soap as well, because I don't like the way that it leaves them smelling with all the alcohol. And here's a little clip of how dirty my makeup brushes were compared to like how they turned out when I spot cleaned them. Every time that I wash my makeup brushes, I like to place a board in the bottom and then my makeup brush mat on top. That way it is easier for me to clean. So in the cup, I put a little bit of lukewarm water and some dish soap along with the extra virgin olive oil. I usually leave my makeup brushes soaking in the water for about 5 to 8 minutes depending on how dirty they are, and then I put a little bit of extra dish soap into the mat and I swirl my brushes around the different textures until all the makeup comes off. So once you're done washing them, make sure to run them under clear water so that all the dish soap can come out, and squeeze all of the excess water out, form them back into their natural shape, and then lay them down so that they can dry overnight. Now for the bigger brushes, I basically repeat the same process. These are a lot more dirty, so I definitely use extra soap if needed. I also have a blog post on how I clean my makeup brushes. I'll be sure to leave that in the description down below. And please let me know in the comments down below how you clean your makeup brushes, what products you use, or if you have like a different way of how you personally clean your own. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit that little bell so that you won't miss any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye!